Hi guys, it's Winette and welcome back to my channel. For this video I will be doing a birthday glam look on my friend. Her birthday was on the 7th of this month and we were rushing because we had dinner reservations. I hope you enjoy. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe for more videos. As you can see, her brows have already been done off camera and I primed her lids with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I am now setting the concealer with the Ben Nye translucent powder in Topaz. Next, I use the plum shade in the Morphe 25B palette as a transition and crease shade. I am blending it into the crease. I then use a lighter concealer to cut her crease, adding a touch of drama to her look. I'm now using a small detail brush in order to fill in her lid with the concealer used to cut her crease. Using a fluffy brush to apply the shimmery purple shade called Artistry from the Morphe X James Charles palette, I am now adding color to her lids. The deep purple shade called Escape from the same palette will be used to add a bit more color to her crease. I am now lining my model's eyes using an angled brush. The MAC Matchmaster foundation in 8.5 is being patted into her face using a flat top foundation brush. I primed her face earlier with the Becca Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfector. I am gently blending the foundation into the skin using patting motions, adding extra coverage where needed. Next, I contour my model's face using Ebony Brown. I apply the deeper shade of foundation to contour her cheeks, forehead, nose, and Cupid's bow. am blending out her contour using a narrowed contour brush. I use a smaller blending brush for the smaller areas. I then use concealer to highlight her under eyes and high points of her face. The concealer that I used was in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I am now setting it with the shade Topaz from Ben Nye. I then use a powder puff to set her face with the Black Opal Finishing Powder in 700 Deep. I use a fluffy brush to brush away the excess powder after baking. Next, I use the shade Berries as a blush for her cheeks. Using the Rimmel Kohl Kajal pencil in Extreme Black, I line her waterline and use the shade Escape and a small detail brush to smoke out her lower lash line. A bronzy shade of Beauty Now and Next will be used as her inner corner highlight. After applying Ben Nye Final Seal, I am highlighting her nose, cheekbones, and Cupid's bow using Nubia from Juvia's Place. The Maybelline Waterproof Mascara in Blackest Black will be used on her top and bottom lashes. Now for her lips. I am applying the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shades Protector and Amazonian to her lips. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on the social media provided down below.